Hi guys, here is the guidance. Megaweb in Odaiba is a Disneyland for car lovers. Toyota's latest models on exhibition. From luxury dream cars to familiar ones you have already wanted to drive. Check the cars with your eyes and hands. You are sure to find the perfect one. Up to 80 current Toyota models are displayed in the spacious lineup zone, often including brand new models or editions not seen anywhere else. The vehicles are not just for looking at either. You can get inside, make yourself comfortable, press buttons until your heart's content, and analyze the suitability of each one without being caused by sales stuff. And if you like what you see, key variants are stationed outside for visitors to test drive on a track within the complex. It's interesting, but some vehicle manufacturers have only recently started opening boutique outlets in retail centers. In contrast, Toyota Megaweb has been open to the public since 1999. It includes the world's largest car showroom and it's positioned at the heart of Odaiba's enormous Pallet Town shopping center. It's possible to spend 10 hours there without getting bored or tired. Lineup zone is exactly that, the current range of Toyota passenger cars in Japan, plus a selection of minicars from subsidiary Daihatsu. The lineup is really up to date, with every new Toyota model joining the fleet on the same day as its domestic market debut. The history of Toyota that evolved with the time. This area introduces the history of Toyota with a focus on current mobility services. Hey guys, look what I found here! This car is suitable for European cities. Imagine the narrow streets of Rome or Venice. An excellent solution for a modern and active life. For the whole family. No, not for the whole. Just for you. Just for one person. So guys, Tokyo is really fantastic and we will see a lot of interesting things. So guys, thank you for watching and please subscribe the channel. Bye bye.